Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to bake or make your bread from the comfort of your own home without using any mixer. If you want to see how I make this sweet and soft bread, please keep on watching. You're welcome to Benny's Kitchen. So here are the list of ingredients I used for this recipe. For the exact measurements, please check the description box below, and there I've listed out the exact measurements I used for this recipe. So firstly, I'll go in with the water, and next I'm going to go in to add the sugar. So I'm just going to add everything together and mix roughly. Okay, so here is the yeast. I'm using instant yeast for this recipe, and next I'm going to go ahead to add in my cooking oil. So you can use any cooking oil of your choice. It can be vegetable oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, or olive oil. All right, so I used canola oil for this recipe, and in goes the flour and next the salt. So while measuring your flour with the cup, the best way to measure your flour is to fluff out your flour before pouring it into the cup. Don't just scoop the flour with your cup. Just use your hands or another container like cup or so and pour gently, fluff it out while pouring it into your cup. Then the excess flour that is heaped on top of the cup, use your knife to remove any excess flour on top of it. That way, whatever thing you measure with your cup will be close to that which you measure with your scale. So this is in case you don't have a scale and you have a cup. So this is the best way to measure using your cup or spoon measurement. All right, and that way you'll be close to the measurement. Hope this helps. So I'm just going to mix everything together until it's just combined. Then I'll go ahead and knead. You can transfer this onto your work surface and start kneading, but because of the quantity of the dough or the mixture is not much, I'm going to knead inside my bowl. This is totally optional, all right, but I'm going to knead this inside my bowl because it's just easy, and for me it's faster. So the more you keep on practicing or doing this, you will get used to kneading this. All right, so you're going to see how I'm even going to knead it, and you're going to knead this in less than 10 minutes. Yes, so I kept on slapping or hitting the dough into my bowl. Okay, and as you can see, my hand at first it will be sticky, but as time goes on, once the moisture gets into the flour, you find out that it becomes smoother and more elastic. All right, so as you can see, the texture of this dough has become a bit smoother than when I started, and it's not as sticky as it used to be, but I will still keep on mixing and kneading. All right, yes, so just keep on doing your bread this way and you will find out that you will get it correctly. So I'll keep on slapping the dough onto my bowl until it becomes smooth and stretchy. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, all right, as this will help get this video to a wider audience. Thank you very much. And as you can see, this dough is now stretchy and smoother than when we started kneading this dough. Yes, so for us to know that this dough is perfect, we are going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead to do the window pane test, which is stretching out the dough till it's light and translucent like so. And you can see your fingers, you can see a bit of that, or you see that it's translucent and it doesn't break easily. And that's how you get to know that you've kneaded your dough properly. Like you stretch it, you find out that it doesn't break easily. Yes, you know that you've done a good job kneading your dough. And if you've been watching up to now, thank you very much. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please share this video with your friends because it might be useful to someone around you. All right, thank you very much. And if you have any comments, please leave your comments in the comment section so we can interact over there. All right, so as you can see, this dough is looking very smooth. Yes, it's just looking very smooth. So I'll go ahead and spray in some oil into my bowl, and also just a bit on top of the dough as well, so it won't be sticky by the time it rises. And I'm going to cover this with a cling wrap, and we're going to keep it in a warm place so that it can double or even triple in size. Okay, yeah. So guys, please note that whenever you're making your dough, anything concerning yeast, please note that your weather will affect the outcome of or how the dough will rise. Okay. Yes, so if you're in a warmer month, it will rise faster, and if you're in a cooler month, it's going to take, if possible, like forever because you might get frustrated. Yeah. The day you make your dough, if it's on a warmer day, you'll notice that your dough will rise fast. But if it's on a cooler day, you might even get frustrated and you might say your dough, you might find that you think your dough won't rise. But the thing is, if you leave it for a longer time, or if you keep your dough in a warmer place like your oven or your microwave, you find out that okay, it might pick up a bit. Or if there's a bit of sunshine around you, just take it out where the sun is and you find out that your dough will rise faster. I hope this helps. So at the moment, I'm in the warmer months, and this took less than an hour to rise to this amount. Yes. So I'll just go ahead and I'll flatten this out. You can use your rolling pin, or if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a bottle, a clean bottle around you to roll that out. All right, so just to show you that you can do this with your hands, I'm not going to use a rolling pin to roll this out. You know, I just used my hands to smoothen this, just to, like, you know, flatten it out. And I'll go ahead and roll this dough. So please, as you're rolling the dough, just do as I am doing, as I'm showing you. Just roll it out, you know, pinch the ends and smoothen the edges. All right, yep. Just follow the directions and you'll get your bread, and your bread will come out perfectly. All right. So after rolling out the dough, I'll place it in my already greased bread pan, and I'll use the cling wrap to wrap it and allow this to rise for like 30 to 35 minutes, depending on how fast or how warm the weather is. So the weather is warm, I allow that to rest for like till it doubled in size, and I cover this with the bread pan cover. I'm sorry about that, I missed that side. I didn't get it. And here is our bread. I've baked this in the oven, and yeah, your oven and the temperature and the time to bake this will all determine as well. All right, so everything you want about this bread will be in the description box below. All right, and here is our bread, freshly baked from the oven and freshly baked from the comfort of your home. This bread tastes so nice, like it's a sweet bread, and believe you me, if you try this recipe, you keep on baking your bread, all right, and not buy from the store. Yes, so please let me know if you try out this recipe, and I would like to hear from you. All right, as you can see, this bread is just so soft. Don't it looks perfect? Don't it look perfect? Yes, it does. And I can tell you, this bread tastes so nice. Like, I didn't even wait, I've already started eating, and that's why I didn't even allow the bread to cool down before I sliced it to eat. Yes, I didn't even wait. Like, guys, till I see you by the next video, let me go and enjoy my bread. Yes, do stay safe. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.